This video will show the information required to pair a single discharge shouldering machine. What you need to have is be able to isolate the power supply, start with the remote and the receiving unit powered off. First thing we're going to do is we're going to run through the disassociate process, which basically all you're going to do, hold the green and disassociate buttons. You'll see that the associate is flashing. I'll be setting down the video here. Plugging in the cigarette lighter. I now have power and all 6 lights illuminate, and now I'm going to release that. And at this point we are disassociated. There's no red LED on the machine. Basically just the TX is flashing. To associate, what we're going to do is we're going to turn the remote power off. We're going to unplug the receiving unit there, and basically what we're going to do is we're going to push the associate and the green button. We're going to hold that down. When just the associate is flashing, you'll see that all 6 lights turned on, and now just the associate is on. I'm going to set the camera down, plug in the cigarette lighter, putting power to the machine. Everything lights up. I turn it off, and at that point we are now associated.